What is LDL cholesterol and how do we lower it? First of all, I'm going to be telling you what cholesterol is. Cholesterol are waxy substances. They are basically fats, and they are very essential to maintain an optimal health. Cholesterol is involved in the buildup of cells, production of hormones, and also production of vitamins. Cholesterol are very essential for all this process. But having a high level of cholesterol in your body can be detrimental to your health, especially when you have a high level of LDL cholesterol, also known as low density lipoprotein cholesterol. It is also known as the bad cholesterol. When you have an elevated level of low density lipoprotein cholesterol or the bad cholesterol, it could predispose or increase your risk of certain medical conditions that are actually life-threatening. One of those medical conditions is stroke. Another is heart attack. It could lead to hypertension. If hypertension is left untreated for a prolonged period of time, it can extend to kidney disease and a whole lot of medical problems that a high level of bad cholesterol can cause in our body. And then we are going to be wrapping up this series or this video with how do we lower it? The first step of lowering low density lipoprotein cholesterol is to avoid foods that are high in saturated fats. What are the foods that are high in saturated fats? Deep fried food, deep fried meats, red meats. These foods are rich in saturated fats, also known as the bad fats, which contributes to an elevated level of LDL cholesterol. Another thing you want to do, and that is very rampant recently, is smoking. Smoking contributes to increasing low density lipoprotein cholesterol and reducing your high density lipoprotein cholesterol, which is the good cholesterol that helps to clear up this bad cholesterol from your body through the liver. So tobacco smoking, any form of smoking, can increase the level of low density lipoprotein cholesterol in your body. So you should avoid smoking. And the next thing you should do is regular exercise. When you move your body, it reduces low density lipoprotein cholesterol. And how does that happen? Whenever you indulge in high intensity physical activities such as aerobics that makes you to sweat and breathe out very hard, this exercise goes ahead to burn down lipids. Your body starts to use lipid as fuel instead of the regular glucose. And in that process, it will help chop off excessive bad cholesterol that is in your body. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to start eating a healthy diet. Don't start eating food that are rich in protein, healthy fats, and start eating a lot of vegetables and fruits. When you eat vegetables that contain a lot of fiber, they help to slow down the absorption of cholesterol in your intestine. For that reason, you will not accumulate a lot of cholesterol in your body. And lastly, a lot of people are guilty of this last one that I'm about to tell you. Stress management, as well as sleep. When you don't know how to manage stress, it can get to chronic stress level. And when it gets to that level, you start being sick. Why? It increases inflammation, causes oxidative stress that could potentially increase your risk of getting high level of low density lipoprotein cholesterol in your body. So you have to look for a way to manage stress and ensure you get enough sleep no matter what the situation is. If you follow these 6 steps, you can lower your cholesterol level very, very fast. I hope you enjoyed this video and you are educated or you've learned a lot from this video. I'll see you in the next one.